Wonders of Greece. Greece is a magical blend of ancient history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Known as the cradle of Western civilization, this Mediterranean paradise boasts over 6,000 islands, each with its unique charm. Whether it's exploring historic ruins, lounging on sun-kissed beaches, or tasting exquisite Greek cuisine, there's something here for every traveler. Imagine the sun setting over the Aegean Sea, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, while the iconic whitewashed houses of Santorini glow softly in the twilight. Picture yourself wandering through the ancient ruins of Athens, where democracy was born, or cruising through the turquoise waters of Zakynthos to marvel at the famous shipwreck beach. This journey will take you through Greece's most fascinating places, from the bustling streets of Athens to the serene beauty of the Cyclades. Let's uncover the wonders of Greece, a destination that's equal parts adventure, romance, and history. Athens, where ancient meets modern. Athens, the capital of Greece, is a treasure trove of history and culture. Walking through the city feels like stepping back in time. Yet its modern vibrancy reminds you that it's very much alive today. At the heart of Athens lies the Acropolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that houses the Parthenon, a masterpiece of ancient Greek architecture. Beyond the Acropolis, the city offers a maze of historic streets in Plaka, where charming cafes and boutiques line the cobbled pathways. Don't miss a visit to the ancient Agora, the marketplace where Socrates once debated philosophy. For a modern twist, head to the National Museum of Contemporary Art or experience the lively Monasteries flea market. Athens also surprises with its food scene. Savor a plate of moussaka, taste freshly grilled souvlaki, or indulge in loukimades, Greek-style donuts drizzled with honey. Athens truly bridges the past and present, making it a must-visit destination. Santorini, the jewel of the Cyclades. Santorini is the quintessential Greek island, renowned for its iconic blue dome churches and cliffside villages overlooking the Aegean Sea. This volcanic island is a romantic escape, perfect for honeymooners and dreamers alike. Oia, with its labyrinth of narrow streets, offers stunning sunset views that are world famous. For adventure seekers, a hike from Fyra to Oia provides breathtaking vistas at every turn. History buffs can explore the ancient ruins of Akrotiri, often referred to as the Minoan Pompeii. And if relaxation is your goal, the island's unique beaches, like the Red Beach and Kamari Beach, are ideal for soaking up the sun. Santorini's charm isn't just in its scenery, it's in its flavors too. Sample the island's unique wines, grown in volcanic soil, or enjoy fresh seafood paired with local specialties like fava and tomato keftids. Crete, a land of legends and landscapes. Crete, Greece's largest island, is a land of dramatic landscapes, rich mythology, and warm hospitality. Known as the birthplace of Zeus, Crete offers a mix of stunning beaches, rugged mountains, and vibrant cities. The Palace of Knossos is a must-visit for history enthusiasts, as it's one of Europe's oldest civilizations and is steeped in the legend of the Minotaur. Nature lovers will find paradise in the Samaria Gorge, a 16-kilometer-long canyon that promises adventure. For a more relaxed vibe, visit Elefantisi Beach, famous for its pink sands and shallow turquoise waters. Chania, with its Venetian harbor, showcases Crete's multicultural heritage. Explore its lively markets, indulge in Cretan cuisine, and experience the warmth of the locals. From ancient myths to modern wonders, Crete is an island that captivates all who visit. Meteora, Monasteries in the Sky. Meteora, one of Greece's most extraordinary sights, is a testament to human ingenuity and spiritual devotion. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to ancient monasteries perched atop towering rock formations, seemingly suspended between heaven and earth. Of the 24 monasteries originally built here, 6 remain active and accessible to visitors. Each monastery offers panoramic views of the surrounding valley, and the journey to reach them involves winding paths and stone-carved steps. Meteora is not just a religious site. It's also a haven for hikers and rock climbers, with its dramatic cliffs providing endless adventure. As you explore Meteora, take a moment to reflect on the dedication it took to create these architectural wonders in such a remote location. The serenity of this place will leave you in awe, making it a highlight of any trip to Greece. As we come to the end of our journey through Greece, it's clear that this country is a timeless destination. From the ancient ruins of Athens to the stunning beaches of the islands, every corner of Greece tells a story of resilience, beauty, and culture. Whether you're marveling at the architectural wonders of Meteora, savoring the flavors of Greek cuisine, or basking in the golden sunsets of Santorini, Greece has a way of capturing your heart. It's a place where ancient myths come to life, where the sea meets the sky in endless harmony, and where every traveler leaves with unforgettable memories. If you've enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Travel with a Plan for more amazing travel experiences. Let us know in the comments which part of Greece you dream of visiting. Until next time, happy travels and keep exploring.